Greetings. I was recently prescribed this medication, this little ointment to put in my ears. This is called Neomycin and Polymyxin B sulfates and hydrocortisone Otic solution, USP. And this is 33 bucks, prescribed by my doctor. It's basically eardrops to put in my ear. But to let you know exactly what this is, neomycin is an antibiotic that's used for skin, or it could be used for ears or infection on the outer body. Polymyxin B sulfates is also an antibiotic, and hydrocortisone usually goes in combination with these two antibiotics. And hydrocortisone is usually prescribed for swimmer's ear, so a lot of swimmers will get it. So basically, I got earwax in my ear, and earwax became lodged. They got it out, and then I had an infection in my ear canal. And so, in order to apply this, and please consult with a doctor. This is a prescription that I had to go to a doctor for, and make sure you follow all medical advice and the doctor's advice. But basically, I was ordered to take this 3 times a day in the ear, and I'll show you in a second how to do it. And it's 4 drops 3 times a day spread out over 10 days, and that should get rid of any bacteria or any infection. So let's go ahead and show you how to apply it right now. Alright, so again, I'm going to do this 3 times a day, 4 drops per ear spread out over 10 days. And I basically tilt my head back and do 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what you want to do is tilt your head back, and you could feel the antibiotic go into my ear canal. And I basically just hold it, and I'll hold this here for a good 4 to 5 minutes as I can feel the antibiotic go into my ear canal and get rid of any bacteria or whatever. And over 10 days, that should kill anything. And again, this particular antibiotic is used for skin or whatever. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe. God bless.